two things. There's only two outcomes in everything you do. You will either fail and quit or stay and succeed. You guys understand that. Everything you do in life, you will either stay and succeed or quit and fail. That's it. Has anybody ever taken up a hobby before? Who in here plays a music instrument?
I do.
Yep. You got two choices. You got two. You either stay and continue to get better, which you will. You know that. You know you will get better. Or you will quit, never get better, and you have failed. So I need you today. What are you going to do? You going to stay and succeed, or are you going to quit and fail? There's no in between. There is no in between in anything you do. All right, your job. You want to get a raise? You got two choices. Stay and succeed because eventually you can get there and you know you can. Or are you going to quit and fail and go get another job and be like, well, I'm going to do it again. You're going to have the same choice again. So decide today. Write in your journal. You're going to stay and succeed or quit and fail. That's it. You're going to work through it or you're going to quit. You want to know the difference between a professional athlete and somebody who is not? They stayed and succeeded. Oh, it's genetics and it's work ethics. Well, yeah, work ethics has a lot to do with it, but I'm not 6'8", so therefore I can't make it. There's just all sorts. So you either stay and succeed or you quit and you fail. That's it. And it is all on you and you alone to make the choice. So make the choice. It's not hard. It's hard in the work you got to do. Making the choice to stay is not. Now, unfortunately for some of us, don't worry, I'm kind of the same way. I'll do the same stupid stuff, right? It's almost like I got to get to rock bottom until you're like, I must make a change. Luckily, I didn't do that, right? I got up to 240 pounds instead of 340, 440 before I made the change. So I wasn't like technically rock bottom, but to me, I'm like, this is one of the heaviest I've ever been. I don't want to be here. So to me, it was my rock bottom. So don't wait until you get to rock bottom. Don't wait like, oh, I only have $500 left in this account. Oh, if I get to that, then I'll make the choice today. So make the choice, do the things, kick ass or go cry in a corner. And then you're going to have to kick ass tomorrow. At some point, you are going to have to step up and do the job. You cannot run forever from the things that are hard. It's going to come find you. I promise you. You're struggling financially and because you just don't want to put in the extra effort, the time, what do I need to do? How do I improve my skill sets? What can I do better at my job? Is there more that I can do instead of Netflixing and chilling? Is there a way that I can go make extra money? What can I do? How can I? But if you're just sitting there doing nothing, of course, it will find you again. Sure, you might find the job making the same that you were before, not really excelling at anything, coming home doing the same BS that you did before and wasting all the time and energy and not really trying to go for it until you are ready to learn, listen, and apply this information. You too are going to be stuck in the same mediocre trades, doing the same exact things, blowing up your account the same way until you're ready to show up, ready to make the change, ready to commit, execute. You're just going to be mediocre. There you go. I'm going to leave you with that.